We should be back. There we go. Just something about that was just really not wanting to work. Things seem to be doing okay. Just gonna keep them at the settings. Let's test. Will this work again? Testing. Chat again. Oh wow, my god. Alright, so chat's not gonna work. So let's get that off the fucking screen. There you go. Looks like it's doing better, but if I'm talking, will that fuck everything up? No, things look okay. All right, so what's up everybody? We are working on video games today. The usual, you know what I'm saying? So we got this on open here. All right, we're giving this another go. I'm just gonna talk off the rip. So it seems to be still freaking out on that. Not too sure why. Maybe it could just be the way that OBS is going stuff, because things look alright. Be still freaking out on that. Not too sure why. Okay. So yeah, it's I guess just the way my OBS is looking, because the stream on both platforms look pretty good. So it could be completely mistaken though, and absolutely insane. That's both of those are possibilities. Both of those are fully possible things to happen. Fully possible things to happen. All right, so both the chats on both my screens here. So pop out. Pop button. What's the up there? It is. Found you. I found you. Okay. So yeah, what we're doing today is just some Godot C++. I have this template project that I use all the time. It's actually on GitHub here. Let's see. Got this guy out. Let's make this floating. Alright, so this right here is what I use. This guy's setup is pretty nice. If you hear double music, I'm so sorry. That was an issue on my end. Yeah, he built this. It's really nice, and I think it's absolutely like amazing. I'm the only person who started too, but it's what I go to. So we need to get, this is in our downloads, so let's do cd download. It's a GD extension. Alright, so ls, there it is. Let's copy. Why is C making a zip still? That's not how that should be. Okay, so let's cd that, everything in here to be in let's do this actually. Okay, there it is, so yeah. Project Hollow Point. Let's move this all over in there. What the fuck just happened? That's funny. Okay. Maybe if we just do the dot, maybe that'll work better. There we go. Okay, so everything's in there. Now if we move in here, do we really have that Nix folder in here? Like a floating. I guess we just gotta restart it, maybe. That's very funny. Okay. What the fuck do I? And let's kill that. Bam. Still up. Okay. I need to hit send. Okay. So we got all this stuff in here, but I don't know why there's the Nix folder in here. There shouldn't be in there. So let's get rid of that. Get rid of Lost and Found, because that's random as hell. What's in here? I have no clue what any of that is. Read-only status? Is this the fucking folder that I tried to throw to me before? So it's still scanning for stuff. Oh, ad break in process. Ah, I forgot I get paid from Twitch. I need to utilize that more often. Let's reload the project. Reload all from disk. It's still scanning stuff, so let's get that off of here. Stream started off with nothing but big old booty issues. folder should be there anymore. And none of those are in there, so I have no clue why that's still here. C line just messed up with the Nix. Is that what's going on there? Is it because I'm using Hyperland? Is that could that really be it? Nope. Alright, cool. Make that floating. There we go. Okay. So we got the CMake file here. We're gonna load that. What CMake is, if people don't know, it's basically like an automation for building stuff. So what's cool about this CMake here is if I open this bad boy up, oh, I thought my Vim keys were on. Is that really not installed? Idea Vim? I literally installed it earlier. Okay. And make sure it's enabled. Idea Vim, awesome. Apply. There we go. So what this is that this is able to grab using these CMake files. So it's talking to multiple. It's like, hey, can I get Godot CPP? Oh yeah, cool. And then it downloads it and it sets its platform architecture, so it's able to look at what your machine is using for compiling, and then it spits out like the proper library file. So what we got to do is hit this build button. This may kill my processor, but who knows? Streaming and this is still going. Let's go. All right. Dropped frames alert, I promise you guys. So let's do okay. So while this is happening, we're gonna pull up the little test thingy that they have here for Idea Vim. What's in this button? Yeah, let's create that. Take a little game here. Okay, so oh no, it's not the thing. Okay, that's a different file. I think it's just like parameters and yeah, tutor. So let's do 7 down, go down 7, keep going. So moving the cursor, K goes up, J goes down, H, L. You hold down J repeatedly, blah blah blah. Hold it down to here. Okay, so X will delete the character under the cursor, so it's that. We need to press X, and that looks like if I do like do 5 that. Oh no, not that. I hit the wrong button. Ah, I double D'd it. Okay. Let's do like 8L, 8L, X, X, X. Here we go. It's cleaned up. It's weird, I had less dropped frames when I was compiling code while streaming. It's very funny. It's eyes insert mode, so we gotta insert some missing text here, so let's do like 5H. Alright, it's missing now. Oh, I need to add some more letters to that. There we go. Okay, so we're just going to stumble our way through the Vim keys because I really want to learn them. I'm not going to say I'm a pro at all. I do have keycaps that show me the stuff, but I'd never use it, which is something I got to change. So now that we have that built, we have this folder here called game, which we're actually going to call this Project Hollow Point. So let's rename that to like that. Awesome. So now let's go in here. Close that out. Close that out. So we got entry point. So we're gonna change that. Actually, I need to do the same. So library name is that. So it should automatically just know. I also got to go in here and change the library name, huh? Okay, so Project Hollow Point. So we should already compile it with that. Cool. And this is the template that it uses to build everything with. Lovely, lovely, lovely. It's gonna compile for Linux though, because I use Linux, by the way. Do that. So what this will do, this is just boilerplate. I'm like an example for you to compile it. So we're gonna go and add inside of here. We're gonna add an executable for this. Let's actually go back to our terminal here and do like, where is Godot? Which Godot? Okay. Godot 4, that's what it is. Okay. Where is Godot 4? Which? There we go. So it's there. Grab that. File structure is so different on this system here. Got floating. Okay. Executable. Put that there. And we're going to have this be, it's the configure GD extension. We don't need that there. Put this here. And then in here we're gonna do program arguments. We're gonna do E to open up the editor, and then we're going to use Project Hollow Point or Godot project as like the actual thing. So let's hit apply here real quick and just get the relative path from here. There we go. And let's have this be the project directory. Okay, so if I hit run here, it should do the compile. Oh wow, it did nothing. Okay. This code's fine. I mean, do I hit build in here? I swear I had this compiler set up. Toolchain. Yeah, it's using Clang. Does it really want me to use like GCC or something? Let's just let them detect it. Cool. I'll just let it in, I guess. It's loading that. Can't build it while that's reloading. Lame. CMake is fucking garbage on here. Not CMake, Sea Lion. Just gets stuck. Alright, so we're just gonna balls to the wallet here. Okay. So we're gonna have to change some things. I'm not gonna use CMake. I'm gonna have to use scones directly. Okay. Close that. Okay. Let's open up Dolphin. Trying to open shit up here, but it's not open up Rofi. Like nothing's working right now. Alright, we're gonna be right back. I'm gonna get out of Hyperland because I think that's the issue.